This GE LED refrigerator light kit comes with 4 LED light bulbs and covers. These are replacements for several GE refrigerator models. The model numbers include WR55X11132 and WR55X25754. They also replace WR55X26487, WR55X30603, WR55X30602, and WR55X26486. This kit is also known by part numbers AP5646375 and PS4704284, plus 3033142. Think of your old, dim refrigerator light like a tired firefly. This GE LED refrigerator light kit offers a brighter, more energy-efficient glow. It's like swapping that firefly for a small, steady sun inside your fridge. Installation seems straightforward, and many users find it an easy fix. You can likely find helpful videos online if needed. This upgrade can make finding items in your refrigerator much simpler. No more searching in the shadows. Overall, this GE LED refrigerator light kit appears to be a practical solution for dim refrigerator lights. It includes 4 complete assemblies, which is handy if you have multiple lights out or want spares. While individual experiences may vary, many reviews suggest these LED lights are a good replacement. They aim to bring a new level of brightness to your food storage. Consider this kit if your GE refrigerator's lighting is not up to par, and you want a simple and effective fix. Pros: LED lighting 4-piece set, easy install, direct replace, bright light, energy saving, long lifespan, good value, correct fit, fast shipping. Cons: low customer rating, only 3 reviews found 1.9 out of 5 stars, possible compatibility issues. Longevity could be a risk, some third-party alternatives exist, series circuit design in some fridges, need to check install videos. One review mentions product as shown, another review is positive features. 4-piece set, LED light bulb, cover assembly, GE refrigerator, replacement part, multiple part numbers, easy to install, bright light, durable, energy efficient. This is a set of 4 LED light bulbs with their covers. They are made to replace the lights in some GE brand refrigerators. These replacement parts have several part numbers, including WR55X11132 and others. They are designed to be easy for you to put in your fridge. The LED lights give off a bright light, are strong, and don't use a lot of energy. This is a set of 4 LED light bulbs with covers designed to replace the original lights in some GE refrigerators. They are advertised as easy to install, a direct replacement, and providing bright, energy-saving light with a long lifespan, offered at a good value with fast shipping. However, customer reviews are very low, with an average of 1.9 out of 5 stars based on only 3 reviews, suggesting possible issues with compatibility or how long the lights last. It might be a good idea to check if these lights will really work with your fridge and to look at other options too. Some refrigerators have a design where if one light goes out, others might too, so that's something to keep in mind. You might want to watch a video that shows how to install them. One person said the product looked like it was supposed to, and another person had a good experience.